Hi there, so you got Elliot from Microworkshops 3D printing and CAD design service. I'm just going to show you really quick how to do an extrude cut. So you can see here, extrude cut. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a circle through this box. So what we do is you just select on the face and then you go up to sketch mode to say yes, I want to sketch on here. Then you just drop the circle, just say it's 25 mil. And then we go up to features and we say extrude cut, and it's just telling us here in our dialog box that we're going to go down 50 mil, and you can just change that just by selecting the little toggle there. So what you got to do is just go up to the tick and say okay, I want to do that, and there you have it. You got your circle, it cut straight through your box here. So if you want to see cut extrude in a bit more detail, where I can show you the sort of direction 1 conditions, and then also how to cut into the cube at an angle or something like that, then go to part 2 of this video.